Oh, hey. How's it going? Feeding the birds. Still a little bit in there. I like to keep it filled. I use the bucket to catch any loose seed, just so you know. It's a good idea. So you don't get seed all over. You want to follow along? All right, let's go. I got some bird feeders out here. I like these feeders for the simple fact that the birds love them. They're easy to clean, easy to fill, and they work awesome. You gotta clean your feeders. Birds don't like messy feeders, so. Yeah, I guess we'll fill this one too, eh? So what's going on? What's going on in your world? Ohio's pretty warm today, but it's nice. And I'm going to set you down here real quick. There we go. About 87 degrees out. It's August. And look at that. Almost forgot the bucket. Sun is shining though. Anytime the sun shines, it's a good day. Good day. Another ride. Here we go. It's a nice weekend, at least, you know. Love that. Summertime, sunshine. Can't beat it, man. I mean, look at that. I love this tree in the summer. Dawn redwood tree. We have two of them in the yard. They're really messy in fall, late fall. They drop everything, and I'd spend weeks picking the stuff up. But it's an Asian origin, sucks up the water, and grows. It's currently probably about 80 feet tall, probably. Yeah, and there's one over right there. Dawn redwood right here. They're pretty cool. You don't see them a lot. I don't know anybody else who has them, but just feeding the birds. We get a lot of cardinals, chickadees, and grosbeaks. mostly out here. Blue jays drop in, and the yellow finch feeders are right there. The yellow finches are probably my favorite. They're just cool. They're yellow, man. They go from brown to yellow. In the winter they go brown, yellow in the summer. It's cool to watch them transition over the winter. So yeah, there you go. But just taking the rest of the afternoon to relax. Kind of been a long day. Split some kindling yesterday, so we'll keep that going. That wood's working real good. That's solid oak I picked up the other day, so it's just real nice. Getting used to this whole shtick thing, so excuse me while I extend. Watered the tomatoes. It's wicked dry. We haven't had rain. Haven't had a good rain probably a couple weeks, to be quite honest. So I watered the heck out of the tomatoes. Probably gonna put some Miracle-Gro on tonight. And just gotta keep at it. But just checking in, popping in, saying hey, what's going on in your world? Would love to see you like and subscribe. Or right down here. God bless. Water your tomatoes.